Okay, apparently when you're switching viewports, it's best to right click on it instead of left click on it. I don't know why they said that though, because that'll stop you out of a command just like it did right there. Yeah. Anyway, just whatever. I guess if you right click though, I mean that's still selected. Because normally, if I left clicked on it, it would deselect it, but if you right click on it, it doesn't do that. But mostly because right click won't deselect an object anyway. But still it's a problem if you're creating a line or something and you want to switch viewports. Again, Rhino is far fucking superior, but there's no contest between Rhino and this, obviously. Now, apparently some of these keys down here may actually be useful, maybe to some extent. Because you got zoom selected and zoom extent selected, or you can that's a zoom object for all viewports. So that would have been helpful earlier. As you can see, so that one I'll probably use. Now hitting Shift Z undoes zoom commands and so forth. Okay, now when you go into orbit, you hold the Alt key, right? But down here there are these various flyouts, including like that. Okay, so I can choose an object, and now you orbit around that object, which is really the mode I like. But what's nice is you just have to select that once, then every time you do it with the middle mouse button, if I select an object, it'll default to that mode. So so anyway, I thought you might like that. And by the way, if you want to minimize and maximize any viewport, just press this. It's another option. Alright, if you're using ViewCube, sometimes the thing can, like in some of those other programs, become disorientated. But you hit configure, keep scene upright. It's already checked by default here. That's why it doesn't get wacky like it does in some of those other programs. That's what keeps it kind of upright like it does in Rhino. But you can turn that off if you want. But then sometimes your views will get, tilted on their side and everything. So that's just something to keep in mind. And just like with other menus, if you want to set, a view as your home view, you can. So, if you go and screw around, you can always just click that little home button and it'll take you back. And by the way, if you want that steering wheel thing to show up, Shift W makes it show up. Look from your viewpoint, etc. So Shift W will make it go away again. I'll do this in a different video.